Hi, Linda Germain here from Printmaking Without a Press, and I wanted to tell you about Draw Print, the online printmaking class where we explore trace monoprinting. We use simple tools like ink, pens, and pencils, and then we have a private classroom where you will get your lesson each morning, do the lesson in the comfort of your own home and studio, and then we have a private Facebook group where you can post pictures of your work, get all the help you need to take your drawing and trace monoprinting to a new level. Characteristics of a trace monoprint is a fuzzy line and some unpredictable background plating. This gives your line drawing a new life. So you could choose anything from your sketchbook as a subject matter. You could do abstract doodles, landscapes, flowers are always great. You could even add trace monoprinted lines to other types of work. I did a series of chairs one time, self-portrait. So anything from your studio or home life will make a great subject matter. Hope to see you in Draw Print starting soon.